Hi, Maria Clement here at Hippocrates Health Institute, and today I have an honor to share this table with Liza and Destiny and LJ. This is part of Morales-Odom's family that we have so honored here to have here, and we're all about the body and the brain and how to get really healthy. So of course today we want to make banana ice cream. So bananas, what a great food this is. It has calcium, it has iron, it has manganese, it has magnesium. It's just such a great food. And for the brain, it actually helps depression. So it has actually tryptophan and dopamine. So it really, really is a great help. Now, so melatonin is helping. So, this is what we're going to do. I know Destiny wants to make the banana ice cream. So what we did, we peeled ripe bananas, organic bananas, and then we froze them in Ziploc bags. And you can freeze them overnight. That usually is enough. But you could have them in the freezer for weeks and weeks. So we take a machine that it's called Champion. It's really the best one. Let me tell you a story. When Ann Wigmore, the first time she came to Sweden, Ann Wigmore founded this institute in 1956. Well, 1976, she came to Sweden, my home country, the first time, and she was showing us how to make banana ice cream. Well, I didn't have a Champion juicer. I had an old meat grinder, and I put frozen bananas through there, and I gave it, as I was running a clinic outside Stockholm, I gave it to all the guests that was there, and that was it. That was like a winner. So it was so much fun to learn it that day, and learning about live food, how much better it is to use things as they are. And fruit is a part. Now there is a lot of people that have problems right now, like diabetes and has cancer. Of course, this ice cream is not for them. The next one, the nut ice cream, is going to be great for them. There is no sugar there. I wrote a book with our previous chef, Kelly, and I wanted to give one book to, because you're starting your life, to Destiny and to LJ. Yes, and I wanted to give to Liza, actually Brian's book, Living Food for Optimum Health.
Thank you.
And this is like everything in a nutshell about what we do here.
Yes, ma'am. He signed it.
Yes, it's signed.
He has to sign it. Oh,
yeah. So you have great recipes, and you have the banana ice cream recipe in there too. And the nut ice cream.
Okay, good. They're both in here.
Yeah, they're in the back there, and they're in here too.
Okay.
Okay, so let's put them aside.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah, because this will start a good life for you guys, especially young. So now we're gonna put the machine on, and Destiny's gonna make the banana ice cream. All right, so you go.
Now, Anna, where do you get one of these? Can you get it like on Amazon?
Put
these machines? Like, how do you get these machines?
You buy them
Anywhere.
Okay.
Yep. Okay.
You can buy them online. Just ask for a Champion juicer.
Okay.
Yeah, push them down. Push down what you have first.
Okay. Oh yeah, I know. I just keep.
You gotta use some muscle. So here comes banana ice
there
cream.
We go. There we go.
Good.
It doesn't look appetizing when it comes out, but it probably tastes amazing.
Yeah, it tastes amazing. It's the creamiest ice cream you ever had. Yeah, this is a winner. And it's great for your kids. It's great for the brain development, because you know how good all the minerals and vitamins that comes in bananas are.
And I feel like it's good any age, because a baby, a toddler can have this.
Exactly.
An older person.
Yeah.
It's perfect for everybody.
It's perfect. So.
Yeah, that is more appetizing.
I know. Yeah, and so we're gonna use other fruits, but instead of putting them through, you could put them through here.
Okay.
I'm gonna make a sauce in the blender.
Okay.
Wow. So.
Yeah, because I'm not really a
if you wanted, she's too fat. If you wanted to make a blue ice cream, you just put some blueberries.
I can have blueberries. They're like candy to me. I could pop them.
I know.
Raspberries, I'm not really a fan.
Right.
But the kids, I know Destiny likes raspberries.
Yeah, we love raspberries. And why we're so taken, blueberries and raspberries loaded with vitamin C,
Okay.
loaded with minerals, and
antioxidants, right?
The antioxidants,
Yeah.
exactly. And the main ones are called flavonoid, and that's why they're so powerful. I think we have a full one.
Yeah. I think we can feed everybody at Hippocrates with that.
That's okay. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, we put some of that in here.
Wow.
But then we gotta make the sauce. So now you see how many ice creams, or how many bananas it takes to do this. So we're not gonna overdo this.
Yeah.
We're not gonna splurge too much of this. But we'll make a sauce. That's great for you.
That was so easy.
Yeah, it's so easy.
So easy.
You get really good, or you ripen the bananas at home so that they're nice and ripened.
Smells good.
Yeah.
It smells great.
Yeah. So it's a actually bone and brain food.
Wow.
Everything in one. Yeah. So, and it comes in a good package, doesn't it?
Yes.
Perfect.
You definitely have made it look like the touch. It looks more appetizing than when it's first
Yes,
yeah.
I know.
So you have that and that touch, but yeah, it looks good.
Yeah. And then we're gonna make the sauce. So we'll make a blueberry sauce first.
Okay.
Liza like that. And then what we can do, we can mix blueberries and raspberries too. Something really popular in Sweden is this mix.
Together.
Oh yeah.
Oh wow. Okay.
Okay, so okay, so LJ, you want to make this now? You make it. Okay, so then you come here. So we'll make the blueberry first. And you know how much water is in. These are mainly just water. So we make a sauce here. And now, then the question is, first, I think you just need a little bit of water for these guys because they have so much water. If you want to add some vanilla to this, yeah, we'll see. So I'll let you do this one. So you put it on here, there. This one, yeah. Okay.
The color is so beautiful. Yeah, what a beautiful color.
It's a beautiful color. Okay, now, why don't you taste this and see what we need. So let me have you all taste this.
Oh, I'll taste it.
Is it good? You don't need anything else? Does it need anything else? What do you think?
No.
I don't think so, no.
No, it's just like that? Okay, so why don't we put some for Liza here, like that. Put that for you.
Perfect.
Okay,
There's a straw.
now let's actually take some of this out, and now I'll put some raspberries in here. Yeah, some raspberries.
Good, right? If it was a little colder, I could just drink this.
Yeah,
It's
of
just
course.
delicious.
Yeah, it is. Okay, so we'll do the mix now.
Okay.
So, here, LG. Make the mix. Okay, now, let's see what you guys think. So, I'm gonna put it on the plate. You still have your spoons?
That's yours.
Yeah. You guys try this. Yeah, try this.
The color's so pretty.
Oh, smells great.
Yeah, LJ. Try that. Does it need anything?
No.
Doesn't need anything.
No.
Okay, do you want that on your ice cream?
Yes,
Yeah.
please.
All right, that's what we do.
I'm going back for seconds.
Yeah, I know. We got that for you. LJ, you want that?
Hey, I'm gonna eat some of my ice cream.
Okay, so now I'll put some of mine too.
Wow. That's good.
That's the best.
Wow.
Isn't that great? Mm-hmm. And this, it's just naturally the sugar that's in the
Right.
fruits.
Okay.
Okay, here we go.
Okay.
Ooh.
And LJ, there you go. All right, so That's the...
Cheers.
Cheers.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Cheers.
For a healthy, yummy,
Yeah.
free ice cream.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's great.
Thank you.
Guilt-free.
Yeah. Well, you guys are learning a lot here.
Yeah.
But, you know, you also took care. I can see you took care.
Yeah,
of
we
yourself.
definitely, no, seriously, we really appreciate it. It's been amazing.
Oh my gosh.
Amazing.
Wow.
It's really good.
It's not the best.
Good treat.
Yeah. That means you need to have a juicer that can make this.
Yes.
And then nature is just giving you all these gifts.
So great.
And so I don't need to buy ice cream anymore. You know? How easy is this?
And I feel like, especially because my kids grew up having ice cream, right? And so you're buying it, you're getting it from the store.
Yeah, I know.
We know it has a whole load of
Tons
stuff in
of
it.
stuff in it. Yeah.
So this is like a new way, especially for the brain to like learn.
Yeah.
It's really good.
And enjoy and
Yes.
know that your kids are getting something really good.
Yeah. And they love sweets.
Yeah.
And they don't
so
need
do-
to like, so they're going back for their seconds and thirds. If they didn't like it, they'd be like, this is
Right.
great, Anna. And they put it back, you know?
Exactly.
So they do like it. You could tell, they wouldn't be eating it.
I know. No.
Yeah.
This is good stuff. So this is so great for summertime and to give your friends and family something that's really good for them, they would love. And what do you think, Liza?
It's delicious. You see how low I'm going.
I know. I'm almost
It's
done.
really good.
Destiny is almost
It's
done.
refreshing.
LJ is almost done. All right, let's take a break. See you soon.